Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm actually so excited to be filming this video. I got this video idea from Miss Laura Lee here on YouTube. She did a full face using basically like beauty guru collaboration and brands. So basically it's like beauty gurus have come out with brands and I've done collaborations with different brands, and she did a full face using their products, and I thought that was such a fucking cool idea. So I wanted to do my own spin on that kind of video, and I grabbed a bunch of different products here that I wanted to do a full face using collabs and influencer owned brand products. Just a side note, I think it's really important to show unity in the beauty community. You know, sometimes I feel like the community, it can be a really like dark, intense place where I feel like there's not a lot of support revolving a lot of people, and a lot of like just shit that goes on in our community. I feel like this is a way that I'm trying to combat that. And in 2018, I really want to show more initiative in supporting the beauty community as a whole. Whether it's a big influencer or a smaller influencer, it doesn't really matter to me. I want to show as much support as I can because this is the community I'm in, and I really want it to flourish and do really well. I'm very excited about it. I think it's amazing that so many influencers have done so many amazing things as like the years have gone on, you know what I mean? It's been crazy. So I actually decided to pull some products here that weren't as like seen or as used as often, like using products that aren't as like conventional when it comes to like a beauty guru products, you know what I mean? I didn't want to take like products that are so overhyped, and not overhyped for a bad reason. They're overhyped as fuck because they're good, but I just didn't want to take products that were as like talked about, you know what I mean? I wanted to take some products that weren't as talked about as much and things that are new. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm so fucking excited to film this. I'm gonna stop rambling because I talk fast as fuck. I actually got a comment in my last video that was like, bitch, you talk faster than my Mexican mom when she's mad at me. And I'm like, bitch, that's fast. You know the bitch is quick. But yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys do not like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. Please don't watch me if you don't like me. But if you guys do like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And if you're new, what's up? I'm Mannymua, and welcome to my channel. This is the Maniac channel. Subscribe before you go. That would be really fucking cool if you wanted to subscribe. Here we are thirsty for water and thirsty for dick. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this video started. So actually I had to really think out of the box for this one because there's a lot of products that I was like, fuck dude, how am I gonna do a full face using collaborations or brands when there's like things like concealers and powders and foundations, and I'm like, oh my god, primers. So what I decided to do was actually really think outside the box for this one. And so for the primer, I'm gonna be taking the Benenfit Professional Primer. It's not technically a collaboration with a brand, but last year, me, Karen, I Love Sadie, Nicole Guerrero, Jeffree Star, and Laura Lee were all part of a big campaign, and we collaborated on our favorite products with Benenfit. So Karen's collaboration was with Professional. So I'm like, you know what, bitch? I'm gonna take that as a collaboration, honey. Professional is one of my favorite primers of all time. I use it literally all the time I travel with it. That's why it looks so fucked up and doesn't even have a cap on it. I travel with her. Primer was a hard one, you guys. I was like, wait, how the fuck am I gonna pull a primer out of my ass like that? Who's collabed with a primer? So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grab some foundation. So for foundation, I'm gonna be taking the HUDA Beauty Foundation. This is the Faux Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation. And if you guys don't know, HUDA Beauty is she was like on Instagram. She's a beauty blogger first. She created her own makeup line, and now she has an entire makeup line called HUDA Beauty, of course. And this is one of her products in it, which is super cool. I have worn this foundation maybe one time because I got the wrong shade. So ever since like I got the wrong shade, I'm like, I haven't got the right one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put that all, oh fuck, this is so pale. Fuck! Okay, you know what? It's fine. We're gonna go ahead and use that anyway. This is in the shade Cashew, in case you guys are wondering. Is it pale or is it my shade? That's the real gag. You know, you guys already know I love to go more deep with my foundations. You know what's funny? I'm not even trying to be shady or anything like that. This is just like a random side note. I tend to not use HUDA Beauty that often because I don't feel like on her brand page or in general with her brand, I don't see a lot of support in the male beauty community. I don't see a lot of like posting men on her Instagram as I see of a lot of other brands doing it. It's just something I notice. So I notice these kinds of things, and I notice when brands do not post boys, and I notice when a brand is very conservative with their promotions. And I do get it. Like I do understand that buying makeup is much more of a women's niche than it is for men. Men do it too, and it does feel kind of shitty when a brand doesn't support that or a brand doesn't acknowledge it, you know? And I do get sent HUDA Beauty products, and a lot of her stuff is really nice. But it is just something I've always noticed, and I'm not trying to shade her in any way, shape, or form. And you know, maybe because she does have a big Middle Eastern following, she doesn't want me to get hate on her pages or anything, or something like that. I don't fucking know. So I tend to like not use her products as much because I just don't see as much love back in the male beauty community. You know that men in beauty are not just a fad, and that we're fucking here to stay, and that we're like doing things like, oh my god. But I didn't have a lot of options in the foundation realm. You know what I'm saying? So now that we're pale, as pale can be, we're gonna go and take some concealer. So I was like, fuck, I was really nervous about this one because I'm like, I don't have a concealer that is like done by a beauty guru. I've never seen a beauty guru collab and do a concealer, like literally ever. But I remember, bitch, Kylie Jenner. Y'all might be thinking she's not a beauty guru, and I get that. She's not really a beauty guru, but she's definitely a beauty icon at this point, and she does have a YouTube channel where she's done makeup on her channel. So I'm like, you know what? We're gonna go ahead and just count it. So honestly, like, I had to think outside the box with this one again, and this one is going to be using Miss Kylie's concealer. I'm literally taking the lightest concealer possible I can find, just because I'm already so pale in my foundation. Might as well be a pale ass bitch today, I guess. If y'all don't think that she's a beauty guru or she's on Beauty World, wake the fuck up. She is. She's part of it. I didn't think I can go any lighter than the foundation I already am wearing, but bitch, I thought wrong. It's so funny because I feel like I'm actually really this pale. Like, I'm a really light girl. Bitch, I'm a light bitch, but I just enjoy going a little bit deeper with my complexions. I feel like it just gives me more of a healthier appearance. So now let's go ahead and take some powder, and we're gonna powder up this face. So for the powder, I'm actually gonna be taking the MAC X Patrick Star powder. Patrick Star collabed with MAC last year, and they created this powder, and it's been a very, very popular powder in the community. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face lightly with this powder here. This powder, I would say, is really good for oilier complexions because it keeps your oils at bay very nicely. I've worn it a couple times and it definitely keeps my oils. Bitch, I am not, let's just say I'm not shiny. After this, like when I put this on, bitch, there's no shine. So we're gonna use that to set the face. I cannot wait to see what kind of collabs come out this year. I'm very, very, very excited to see what different influencers and different brands have in store for us when it comes to collabs. I'm sure collabs are not ending anytime soon. I love a good fucking collab, you guys. I live for a collab. I try my best to support all the collabs, so that is what we're doing right here. I'm just kind of powdering around the perimeters of my face a little bit, taking off the excess powder with my Morphe E2 brush. This is just like, honestly, it's a really just good big powder brush. If you guys are into like really fluffy powder brushes to apply powder or powder foundation or anything like that, I would really highly suggest the Morphe E2. Remember, any Morphe brush, you guys get a discount with Mannymua. She's a pusher. Oh my god, like drugs? Probably. Y'all know I'm a pusher. I don't push drugs, but I push a code. Okay, we are now set with the face, and for the bronzer, hey, that's me. So I'm actually going to be taking HUDA bronzer by Benenfit. Me and Benenfit collaborated last year, and we did HUDA bronzer. That's my face, that's my carita. I'm going to be taking this bronzer and putting it all over my face. Bronzer was another one that I was like, oh shit, like what am I going to do? But we found her. And I'm just taking that same E2 brush and lightly bronzing my face. What the fuck? Bronzing my face. HUDA bronzer is such a fucking iconic staple in the beauty community, bitch. HUDA is everything. And they have HUDA light now. Get back to reality, bitch. You're too pale to go that in right now. Usually it's totally fine for me, but I forget how light my foundation is right now. So if you're as pale as I am currently at this state of foundation, I would suggest HUDA light. Took us a minute, but we got there. Anyway, you guys, let's go ahead and move on to the contour. I'm actually gonna be taking the KKW Beauty contour kit in the shade Light Bitch. If y'all don't think Miss Kim Kardashian is a beauty guru, she's had some of the most influential beauty looks in like the actual world. So she's like changed the game. Technically it was Mario, but Kim was the face that launched 1,000 ships. Just gonna take a little bit of that contour shade. I'm just gonna put it right underneath the bronzer, just a hair, just to really give us that Kim K look. Okay, we need to go ahead and just, oh yes we do. I want more. Is this amount of powder unnecessary? Maybe. How many minutes should I wait for this shit? Why is Shawn Mendes so fucking fire? Shawn posted this on Instagram right this moment, 4 minutes ago. The bitch already has 140,000 likes. For good reason. Oh my god. He is so fucking fire. You guys, I'm even wearing my Nicole Lipstick Nick merch. We got support all around here, bitch. You guys, for blush, I'm gonna be taking this guy. I don't know if you guys remember this. This is actually the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Mineral Blush split. It was like a champagne split. Jaclyn Hill and Becca collaborated and they did these champagne splits. And I'm gonna be taking the shade Flower Child because it's literally one of my favorite blushes from Becca ever. And if you guys got your whole hands on these, this is amazing. My favorite one was this one. This is the Champagne Pop and Flower Child duo. But I thought it'd be really, really fun to use this because I needed a blush. And I'm like, bitch, I literally already use this all the time. Ooh, that color is perfect. You guys, do you know what I've been watching recently? I just started up all over again. Avatar: The Last Airbender. Have you guys seen that show? Because I swear to God, if you haven't, we need to have a talk, a sit down. We are blushing like a bride. We are blushing like a bride who is about to be left at the altar. No, I can't be like that. It's February. I have no date for Valentine's Day. I'm being cynical. Ignore me. I'm gonna be taking the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. You guys, this fucking highlighter, it's literally like, it goes from being subtle to blinding in 3 seconds. Probably faster. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. I can't. Like, I actually cannot. I don't know if this video is coming out before the highlighter releases, but it probably is. And I swear to God, if you don't pause this video and go buy the fucking highlighter, I will. What am I gonna do? Really, honestly, but I'm gonna be pissed. Like, this will get you there. So I'm gonna keep that at that. The highlighter is on the face. I wanted to highlight my nose and like a little bit on the forehead with something else because this was my fucking vida in 2017. This is the Jeffree Star X Mannymua highlighter in the shade Eclipse. This is our old press, our old thing. This is literally like history. This is fucking history. So me and Jeffree collaborated last year, and we also did a highlighter named Uranus. Like, the color is just beautiful, and it's like the perfect nose highlighting color, a little bit above the brow bone. And of course, as you guys know, Jeffree has his own brand. This is literally like killing two birds with one stone because I am an influencer, Jeffree's an influencer, but he also has his own brand. We collabed on this. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go and do the brows, and I was gonna do the brows off camera because I always do brows off of camera because I was like, fuck, there's no brow products. But there is Miss Laura Lee, and Laura's product was Precisely Brow Pencil. She literally was on the cover of the box. I'm gonna be taking Precisely Brow Pencil, and we're gonna be using that on the brows today, which I already literally like. I love this brow pencil. Today I'm gonna take the shade number 6. Fuck, is this dried out? Fuck, this one's dried out. Okay, you know what? It's dried out, but I'm just gonna press a little bit harder. Okay, now the product's starting to melt in my skin more. I think it was just starting it out was a little rough. So since Laura did the brow pencil, I also wanted to do some brow gel, and I'm gonna take the Nicole collab with Benenfit, and we're gonna take Gimme Brow. She collaborated with them to do Gimme Brow because this is one of her favorite products, and we're gonna go ahead and use Gimme Brow and set her in place. This brow is on timeout. We are gonna sit her down. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go eat some food and finish the other brow off of camera, and I'll be right back. So you guys, the brows are now officially on, the eyes are primed, and we are ready to go in with the eyeshadow palette. Okay guys, so I've been wanting to use this so badly. Finally, I'm about to. So this is the Dominique Latte palette. This is from Kristen Dominique. She came out with her own brand. It's called Dominique Cosmetics. I believe it's Dominique Cosmetics. Anyway, you guys, so this is the Latte palette. I think it's beautifully done. It's such a beautiful color scheme. Very wearable. So I really wanted to do something with this today because it's so cute. Again, this is another beauty influencer brand product. I'm so it's just very, very exciting to me. I get very excited about these things. So, you know, I'm coming up with my own brand. It's very exciting and it's fucking hard. First things first, we're gonna take the shade Caramel, and we're gonna be taking that on a Morphe M576. So we're gonna go and take the shade Caramel, and we're gonna put that into the crease. It's just like a very, very light wash of it's like a transition shade. It's a very, very pretty, just classic caramel transit. It's called Caramel for a good reason. We're gonna put that into the crease to have a base color down. I really like to put transition shades down first, and then I'll start to go in with heavier colors and things like that. I want to do like a purple and blue eye. Should I do that? The shades blend very beautifully, and they feel like butter on the skin. This is very, very exciting. Congratulations to Kristen again. So we're going to take the purple of the palette, which is named Double Shot. And this one, when you put it in, it picks up not too intensely. It is, of course, more of a powdery shade, but usually like purples and things like that, the ones that are a little bit more pigmented are a little bit more powdery. So I'm going to put that onto the outer corner of the eye. I'm taking that on a Morphe R39 blending brush. We're going to put that into the crease. Oh, that is so pigmented. Okay, you guys, so with this kind of color, you want to go a little bit more light in hand, because that's the word of God. You will lose it. You will lose it. It's not as easy to blend out a purple like it is to blend out like a soft brown, you know? So be a little more cautious. That's such a beautiful color. Oh my gosh. Purplicious. Fergalicious, make myself go loco. Y'all know I've been living for a cut crease recently. So now I'm just layering that purple, making it a little bit deeper. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take a brush and carve out. So I'm gonna go take some of that Kylie concealer, a really, really pale shade, and I'm gonna take this. This is a Smashbox lip brush. I've been really loving it for carving out a crease. I just feel like it makes it a lot easier for me because it is so tiny, but it has a nice rounded end to it, which I like, literally like the palest concealer I got. We're gonna go ahead and carve her out. Beautiful. And I'm not just saying it because I did it. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that Double Shot purple, and we're gonna blend the two together a little bit and give us more of a seamless moment right here. And then taking Vanilla Cream, which is like more of a yellowy, softer, lighter color, I'm gonna go ahead and pat that and set the white. And I'm packing that on with a Morphe M210 brush. It's a nice, just lightweight packer. This one's like super cheap too. I think it's like $3. I might be a little wild for this one, but fuck it. Let's go ahead and take a little bit of Cold Brew, which is the blue turquoise shade. This could be a flop, but oh, it looks cute. It's not as floppy as I thought it was gonna be. I really like this. It's so cute. I was thinking, if y'all want, maybe take a little bit of the gold glitter from Urban Decay, and right between the cut crease and the purple, get a little bit of a gold flare. What do y'all think? I just think it gives it a little pop. And I know this product is not a collab with anyone, but I just thought it would really fit nicely. And it does. Now we're just gonna take the transition shades, Caramel, Hazelnut, things like that. We're gonna go ahead and just put that underneath the lash line. Not making it too heavy of a lash line, the lower part. I just kind of want to keep the focus on the top, because you know I love a good top. I'm so peacock-y. Okay guys, I'm gonna go finish the other eye off the camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that we have our eyes completed, I did eyeliner off of camera. I could not find an eyeliner that someone had did with the brand. I literally had no idea. So I ended up just taking the Kat Von D Tattoo Trooper Liner. Kat Von D herself is a beauty icon as well, you know what I mean? So I figured I would use something in that realm. And so I used Kat Von D Beauty. So now we're gonna go and put on some lashes. And by lashes, I mean we're gonna put mascara and lashes. So for mascara, I wanted to take the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara in the shade Black. This was a collaboration with Makeup by Shayla. Technically, it was already out, but Shayla collabed and did 3 colors. She did, I believe it was purple and blue and black. And so I wanted to take the black shade. It was actually really crazy because like Big Shot is the campaign that I was in with Maybelline when I was their first male ambassador. And it was so crazy. And I was so happy to see that Shayla got a collab with them after. Me and her were like the main models of the thing. So I'm like, bitch, if it went to any other person, I would have been livid. So I'm so happy it went to Shayla for this collaboration with Maybelline. Congrats to Shayla again. So we're gonna take her mascara. I really like this mascara. Okay guys, so now let's go into lashes, and I grabbed the Lily lashes in the style Arika. So Arika Sato is also a fellow YouTuber here on YouTube, and she's also a friend of mine, and she's the sweetest, funniest, just fucking cool ass chick. So I wanted to take her lash, put these on the eyes. Okay, perfect. So now we have the Arika lash on. Bitch, if this lash doesn't cover up my entire eye look, I don't know what does. This is such a dramatic ass lash, and I live. Anyway, guys, so now we're gonna move on to the lips, and we will be done. We're gonna take some ColourPop, because ColourPop is known for collaborating with other influencers in the beauty space. So I'm gonna take the curvy lip pencil. This is a collab with I Love Sadie, aka Karen, who I love so much. She's literally just like one of the coolest, most down-to-earth chicks like I've ever met, and I really just love her so much. And so I'm gonna take her lip pencil, which I have used before, so I'm gonna need to sharpen. We're just gonna go ahead and do a little bit right here. Bitch, these shits are so creamy. I feel like a cholita with this fucking lip. Okay, cool. And now I'm gonna go in with the, I really wanted to use this. I haven't used this in forever. This is the Aquarius lip cream by Kathleen in ColourPop. So we're gonna take Aquarius, which is like a really pretty, it's like a pinky mauve shade. I cannot do this video without using something from Kathleen Lights, because I swear to God, she is the collab queen. And these two together look so pretty. And we're gonna go ahead, and I think that's it. Or we're just gonna top it off with some Wham Gloss by ColourPop and fucking Laura Lee right here in the center. And that is it, you guys. That is it for today's entire video. I'm done. This is the full entire face. We are fully beat to the ground, to the sky. You guys, honestly, I really love how today's look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating it, but it is really cool to be able to share fellow beauty gurus and fellow beauty influencers, or whatever fucking word you want to call it, YouTubers. I don't know. It was so much fun creating this video, and I literally could do this again with a completely new set of products, because there's been so many amazing collaborations in the beauty world in general that I could literally do this again. So if you guys want to see me do this again, I definitely could. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The only thing I didn't really have that was going to be a collaboration, glitter and the eyeliner. Hey, for the most part, I did a pretty fucking banging job. Woo! Anyway, you guys, that's it for today's video. Everything I talked about in today's video will be linked down below, as always. So have a great rest of the night or day wherever you guys are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I love you. Mwah. When feeling this foundation, it is a very intense, creamy texture. Like, this is like... Didn't move. Not a wink. We're going to... Ooh, it's darker than my fucking foundation. That's when you know it's an issue. Look at her. She's a fucking drag queen right now. She's a full coverage girl. Woo! Casper, who's shine? What's a shine? You know what I mean? After this shit, face. Give me face. Give me face. I want face. Give me face. What in the fuck is wrong with me? Is what I want to know. We really don't have to at this point, because bitch, she is already stopped. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. It's beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and beat the mug. Like, beat it to the ground. Ooh, I feel like I can beat a bitch's fucking ass, dude. God damn. Fuck, I'm a pretty bitch.